What's up, guys? We are at great birthday. We are at the BMW Ultimate Drive. Signed myself up to drive. What do we drive? I don't know what I'm driving. 330i and the iX4 and a few other ones. But the whole family's here. We're about to jump out. Well, we're about to go find coffee for Marissa, but we're about to jump out and
we're 45 minutes
sign
away.
up for our slot, everything. So, yeah. So guys, the M2. So as you know, guys, I haven't been a super big fan about the design of this car, but seeing it in person actually is not bad. You know, it looks like it needs to have rub rails on it, but it's actually not as boxy as I thought. You know, just like all the other BMWs that they've come out with so far, it's just a matter of getting used to it. But with the black accents in the front instead of all painted, it actually doesn't look too bad. Still not my favorite design, but this M2 is gorgeous. I love the way the mirrors are. The wheels are just absolutely fantastic with the, you know, classic roundel in the middle. The interior looks freaking amazing. The tan with the black and the M stripes in the door, just awesome. So it's not my favorite design, but not my worst hated design. If you look at this thing, you know, it's still boxy in the back, still looks like weird taillights, weird side markers, but for the most part, guys, I don't hate it. I know I talked to Ben, I said absolutely hate it, hate the design, but seeing it in person, it's actually not as bad as, you know, this thing. Still don't like this front end. It's grown on me a little bit, but still do not like that front end. It just looks weird. The kidneys look strange. I know it's a throwback to the, you know, 308s and stuff, but, you know, still not my favorite. I love this color though. Inside still looks just fantastic. And see, this is an M4 competition. I definitely could drive this one, not in a convertible. Yeah, I don't like the way this car looks in a convertible. Don't like it with the top up, don't like it with the top down. It needs to be a coupe, it needs to be a hard top. But, you know, that's just my preference. Some people like convertibles, but pretty good. So we didn't get to film that much while we were actually driving because we didn't have, it's just autocross, so we didn't have to have helmets or anything, so I had nowhere to mount the camera. But guys, it was a fun drive. That M50, the i4 M50 is pretty darn quick. It is got regen braking, it's got a bunch of stuff, but like 534 horsepower, just super quick. The 330 was, you know, more power range of the M3 E36, so it's, you know, it's got some power, but it's more of a fun little car. But we had a great day out here, guys. We are gonna jump back and go back to working on the E36, trying to get that finished up so we can get that back on the road so we can start driving that sucker again. But short little fun Sunday morning activity. So thanks for following along, guys. I'll see you next time.